Hello VTuber fans, my name is Edrix Kevin Mudikilio. For the past year, I have not only been a dedicated fan of VTuber but also an active community builder. Today, I'm excited to continue that work by developing and sharing new guessing games for everyone to enjoy. Imagine a global community of millions of fans passionate about visual creators called VTubers. They watch, they chat, but have no way to actively play or test their fandom. This is the massive gap we're exploring. We built Gogora Gestim Games for the first interactive hub that turns passive viewers into an active community. It's a simple, addictive games where you guess the VTubers from pictures, but also powerful discovery of community platforms. We build by fans for fans, creating an authentic experience that generic apps can't match. Our revenues come from one-time purchase, merchandise, and optional ads. This is just not a game. This is the missing pillar of VTuber culture. We have the team and the plan. We're inviting you to build with us. The VTuber revolution is here. It's a billion-dollar industry with a global audience of millions of dedicated fans. But right now, the fandom is passive. Fans can watch stream on YouTube, they can leave comment but cannot play. There is zero detected interactive content where lets them active engage with the culture they love. Our answer is the Gogora Guessing Games. We are not just another Tibia, we are the first interactive hub for VTubers culture. It's a core, it's a deceptively simple. Just as see a picture, you guess the VTuber name with the complete details. But this is the simple mechanic is gateway to something much larger. It's a community engine where fans compete on leaderboards and connect others share knowledge. It's a Discord platform helping newcomers, veterans, and unlike learning about new talents. We are building the definitive home for the active VTubers fans. And we will win because our authenticity, we are built by fans for fans. Our teams live and breathe his cultures. This is not just a corporate guess at what's cool. It's an authentic experience from inside the community and the builds unparalleled trust and loyalty.